Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperacoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. When we were talking about series objects, we saw that slicing series objects may be pretty straightforward. Let's have a look at the same example we used before. So first we need to import our modules, numpy and pandas, as always. And now let's create a series object, like so. And now let's slice from element at index C to the end. So nums from C to the end. And what we get is this, a slice from C to the end. And now let's make another slice from the element with index B to the element with index E. So nums B to E. You probably noticed that the second index in the square brackets is not exclusive, as you might have expected. This is how slicing works if we use the explicit label indices like above. But we can always also use the implicit positional integer index, so the one that a regular Python list uses, for example. In our case, the positional index that corresponds to the label index B is 1. Positional indices are 0-based. And the one that corresponds to E is 4. So we can also use explicit positional indices. Nums from index 1 to index 4. Now this time the second index is exclusive, so you must be careful about which index you use, the label-based one or the positional integer one. This may be problematic if the label indices are integers as well, but we're going to have a look at such a case in the next part of this series. And now let's quickly see at how we can index series objects. Well, actually we can use the same indexing methods as with numpy arrays, which include the regular straightforward indexing, masking, and fancy indexing. If you want to learn more about masking and fancy indexing, you can watch my videos in the numpy series. Now let's have a look. Let's start with regular indexing. So nums D. Okay, now how about masking? We can use the following mask, for example. Nums is greater than 2.5 and nums is less than 4.5. And here we have the elements for which these two conditions are met. And now one more example, this time fancy indexing. Nums FAB, and you get the appropriate elements. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.